Okay, karupa, at tayo na po iti maudi apaset iti programa tayo. At da kami manan, dito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio, nagsam-it. Kat, dito apaset po kat lauk-laukan, mabalinin iti sabasabali nga lingwahe, iti sonata. Kat, iti hampay, puro Ilocano mo dito nga request at na ni. Guro ka. Ama, katuyan man balong, nagkama Anyway, basahin mo na tayo po dito'y pangablaw yo. Magandang hapon po. Patiin ko po mga guards sa Tiveras Hospital. Sila Manuel de Guia, Banyes, Galaw-Galaw, Paridima, Stroke. It's me, Mark Hill, Peñuaga. Kuna naman. So, di dyan.
Gusto what?
Si Kamat.
Mga poging kuya, pakisabi nga po mga relatives namin sa Oscaris at Purok Nibulan na may reunion ang Garcia family sa May 21 sa Tiague, Arabiat. Salamat po, pakikanta nga po yung For the Good Times.
Ayan, English mo the request the For the Good Times. Okay, ulitin mo, dyan nga pakaamu ka, dagiti kapagyan kan?
Aming kanong relatives dito dyan, Oscaris, kan Purok Nibulan. Dakalaw yun, maangay nga reunion da. Garcia family into no May 21 DJ Tiague Arabiat Saudi Arabiat Tiague
Yan nagtukaranta pero as per request dito na po dito For the Good Times nga request yo.
Look so sad. I know it's over, but life goes on, and this old world will keep on turning. Let's just be glad we had some time to spend together. And there's no need to wash the breaches that were burning. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your their body close to mine. Hear the whisper of the raindrops blowing soft against the window, and make believe you love me one more time. And for the good times, I'll get along. You'll find another, and I'll be here if you should find you'll ever need me. Don't say a word about tomorrow or forever, and there'll be time enough for sadness when you leave me. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whisper good times.
Tay background music tabalong.
Background.
Biro kumambait. Kata hello FD and Karubas around the world. Happy Sunday to all of us. Kunana, have a safe trip. Sister Kathy. Hello also Ate Darlene and Ate Virgie and all. Kunana ni Ading Merla Corpus Bilmora of KSA nga naka-check-in mo dito 3K Hotel dito Santiago City. Kunana tatay di gente Facebook iso nga ako. Adito sa akin di Pilipinas kung kunak iso na.
Ana?
Nakita namin nga kasi naka-check-in so na ito Santiago City. So nga temo ka dito isuna. Kaya dito mag-gayam so ng Saudi. Anyway, once again, good afternoon katakabsat.
USA mo lang tayo na, di ba?
Juan Elaine Rosendo, kini ading Venus Finalizaros. Happy birthday.
Nanay,
Apo,
Venus.
pagamit at tayo ng awang katatay nga naka-tuned in. Ang ulitin me, from all of us, from the 4 Decade Duo Production Incorporated, from the 4 Decade Duo Armies and the Fairies, and all the Karubas in the world. Happy birthday kang kaading Venus. Ita Singapore. Kahit sabi ko mata, Jollibee mo tayo mo tatay. Nakikita dito yung post mo dito yung Facebook. Ay kat, at ako mamakita mo yung katuwam. Ni Hilda Ramos, ate kuyang, damaga lang kuma. No, the number yung mabali yung pag-textan tapos makagreet sa programa yung kuna naman ni Ading Hilda. Anyway, the official text line tayo Ading Hilda dito yung kat 0977-369-1552 for your request and dedication kan no kaya yung matipumugto kada kititatlag nga sonata mi dito. Si Kaman Balong.
Good PM DJ, mabati nga pa yung mga taga San Manuel at tela ni Tiague dyan. Congrats sa nanalo sa basketball. Sa asawa ko na nakikinig ngayon, si Joy Daguro. Pwede mo pa ikanta yung Chili Chacha at exchange of hearts.
Wow.
One-sided love broke season. Na yung bang malam, kabalang man namin nga kasilipet dita na dita igid-igid. Pag-i-play man manong Jai 7 Seas. Happy birthday to Victor D. Reyes, ti San Miguel Ramon Isabela. God bless, kumpare. Oy, ni Kapitan nato dati ang Kapitan?
Yes, of San Miguel Ramon Isabela. Yeah. Former barangay captain.
Yeah. Manong batik man dagiti kaduang anak kay dati ito sirok ti Salamagi ni Junior Pugal, Jason Dugilan, pati dagitoyen players dito Prok 2. Dito pagrangayan nga 1 win, 1 loss. Nga matapay I am May, damdama good luck dagiti players dito ayan May. Thanks kuya. From Romar Dugilan, ti Prok 2. Pagrang ayan.
May samad ka dagiti pimugto itatay iti sonata nga kapitan ng Dagsang Gasas. Nangabawan. Once again, congratulations Genti winner tayo. We have Niño de la Cruz of San Miguel Ramon Isabela. Ngarut as requested from David Slater, Exchange of Hearts. One-sided love broke the seas harder, and I took it rough when I hit the ground. Then you went your way and I left by. But can you understand if your heart was mine? If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, I'd never wish a lonely heart on you. It's not your fault I chose to play the fool. One day may come when you'll be in my shoes. Then your heart will break and you'll feel just like I do. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know why I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts. and soon I'll be able to find a new romance, and then you'll remember my love warm and tender, too late for a second chance. Apa kimita kata tay madinga talaga ti ala di nga parte. You'd feel the pain kunana the jay ang amno tumama ikaglis ak amumutan pag kumano recording ta baliwan ta katatanga. Apa nga tatila ta kikita am dita. Ano datan?